Hey agents, I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and coach. And today I'm helping you with making an awesome branded landing page to bringing in some free leads while you're doing something else. This is part 2 of a 3-part series. So let's get to it. Custom landing page. Okay, as I said, this is part 2 of a 3-video series to explain how to do a custom landing page in BoldTrail CRM, used to be called KV Core. Part 1 explained how to make your custom branded photo in Canva. This video shows you how to put that photo into your landing page, something that requires a URL. And if this all feels too complicated for you, recall that if you join our team, Smart Agent Alliance, we will do your first landing page for you for free and also provide 7 more landing pages, all complete with automatic email drip campaigns that get going to nurture your leads right into clients, all while you're doing something else. Okay, on to how to get a URL for your custom photo to use in your BoldTrail landing page. So to use a custom picture in our CRM, it needs to have a URL. So here's a little trick to make that happen. In our CRM, we're going to go over here to the left-hand panel and go down until we see this little guy here. Click on that. That's all lead engine tools and just go into that page. Now we're going to go up to quick actions at the top here, do the drop down menu and go to blog posts. We're not gonna post a blog, but we are gonna get a URL and leave this as a draft. So next we go down here to add post, and then here where you can see the image icon, we'll click on that. We'll upload. I'm going to drag that JPEG that I have on my desktop, let it populate, hit save. And you can see it's a lot bigger than I want it to be, but don't worry about that. It all works out. You don't have to do anything with it. Now, I am going to title this, and I'm going to be seeing this in my list of blog posts. This one will stay as a draft, so I'm going to want to make it so that I know what it is. So I'm just going to put that, and I'm going to put buyer's guide. And that way, whoops, I know what it is. Okay, and then this little guy here with the 2 little arrows, this is the source code. So I'm going to click on that. And then what I need is this from the HTTPS all the way to where it says JPEG. Unfortunately, my picture is right in front of that, so I'm going to have to figure that out behind the scenes. I know it's not that part, so I'm going to go up and hopefully my Control C will copy that. I'm doing Control C, and now I'm going to put it into a Word document that you won't see here and do a Control V, which I can show you here. This is just my document, and you can see I copied more than the JPEG, so I'm going to go back and just cut that out. This is all I need, HTTPS to the JPEG. And so I have that now. That's the source code. That's a URL. And I'm just gonna hit save and then save as a draft. And now I am all ready to create my custom landing page. By the way, when you join our team at Smart Agent Alliance, you're also part of the Wolf Pack, and you get all our free value and all the value the Wolf Pack has for free, plus everything that's exclusively eXp awesome, which is why eXp is the only publicly profitable brokerage in the last 5 years. That's right, we offer more free value than anyone else in the real estate industry. If you haven't checked out our free benefits page on our website, you are missing out. So face the music, learn about what you're missing, and join us while you still can. Click the links in the description to find out why. Be sure to check out parts 1 and 3 of this landing page series, and to learn more about eXp Realty and our free sponsor team, here's some more videos which should be showing right now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.